Um, Good morning. My name is Juju Peculiar, but they call me Juliana. Now, lie, but my name is Peculiar.
I'm six saw on this saw. Unpredictable moves, I'm on a zigzag.
Okay. So right now I'm in my brother's house. Yeah. This is Julie, the drama queen behind her. Okay, so what are you going to cook today?
We are making moi moi. Today we are making my my. Now, no my my now. So I have washed the beans and I have blended the beans also. So now we want to put some little ingredient. Already the beans has ingredients inside. I wash it. When I wash it, we use crayfish, we use pepper, onions, plenty of ginger, then and some tomato inside. So and this is fish, roasted fish. So we chop the fish because of my small sister, because of bone also. And these onions, and this is our Maggi cube, different flavor. Yeah, that is our seasoning. And this oil, granite oil, but the oil is not enough because the beans, the moi moi is much. So I want to add more to it. It's time for frying. First, I will add my onions. See, the onions is very plenty, and the one I also used for blending is very plenty because our house we like onions. So I want to add my onions, and my hand is already clean, but let me still wash
clean.
it.
Go back and wash it.
Jesus. So this is it. The oil is not that too hot because I don't want it to make nice, Chef Julie, aka Peculiar. You understand? So now I want to add the shred. Is this shred or this shred? Whatever.
Shredded fish.
Fish to eat. I divide this to be. But the
So
only
you are
thing
putting
is
your
that
what?
we told
Your
her,
seasoning.
yes, my seasoning. We told her to bring our baby for us. She said no. So we are not too happy. But she promised us tomorrow. If tomorrow comes, this thing is plenty. Yes, let me turn. This rubber is too small.
You put it in the pot now.
Was very plenty and this bowl was not enough.
You now divided it into
two. Yeah, so this is it. Because we are tired of plates, so at least let's change from plate to later. So this.
Are you not going to sit?
No, I will sit to her before I finish tying this one. Even my button box will tell me something. So I want to start tying. I don't want to tie it too big, not too small.
Medium.
Yeah, you guys know now. And the pot look like a local pot, so that is why we want to use it. You know, if you still dey city, there are something we go hungry you go feel like chop village something. Now we want do now. So I want tire now. Then we now set am for cooker. Everything will be very perfect. You see I dey very fine. And so they make moi moi. Not be that one I dey buy for restaurant.
Yeah, baby.
But this one here, it done ready. Say hi.
Say subscribe. Like.
Okay.
Comment.
Okay.
Say give us a thumbs up.
Okay.
You see? Yeah.
Oh yeah, sing.
My Jesus.
Sing my Jesus.
Only
is
you, I
the
don't want that.
greatest Lord.
My Jesus is the greatest Lord of all.
Not that one. My Jesus is the greatest Lord. Don't come.
No,
Okay.
Jesus is the greatest love. One cup love. Jesus is the head and the head. One cup love. In your eyes is a fish love. I can yes, going to be. He can do it. Is the answer. Peace and God.
Clap for yourself.
I'll be loving
She's not done.
God. I wish you. This is love. I'm very forever. I just got this great. I just got this great.
And God is great. So we've put the moi moi on the fire. Then the next 30 minutes, Abi.
I need to bomb along in 30 minutes.
So our moi moi is ready. Julie, don't eat. Well, that is the end of our moi moi. Yes, so. But you know, in this part of the world, we don't eat moi moi alone. Either you take it with custard, akamu, or gari. But me, I prefer it with gari. Yes. And I heard that some people take their own moi moi with bread. I'll try it, but I've not tried it before. So this is the outcome, guys. Delicious, baby. Very delicious. So if you take this one spoon, you take your gari, 1 spoon. Please, if you watch up to this point, do it, subscribe, like, and comment. Kai, I need to go off camera and eat this food. Hey! Go punish Satan. Okay, why are you still at home?
Because
Your school is on strike. Is your school on strike?
No, it's not actually on strike.
What
The
happened?
lecture has not commended very well.
English.
So I just decided to stay back than for me to go and stay in school.
And be playing.
No, it's not about playing.
What course? Which course are you doing?
Food.
Oh.
So I just want to come and
Which course are you reading?
SRT, Science Lab Technology.
Which school?
Federal Poly.
Federal Poly. You're speaking grammars. Federal Poly where?
Nursery State.
Nursery State.
Yeah, because of some little bit
Because
of
of some
challenge.
little spirit challenge.
So we decided to just pick that one than for me to stay back
Okay,
home.
but that wasn't in your course you intended to study
Yeah.
before. So what course you want to study
Civil
before?
engineering.
Civil engineering.
Yeah.
Last and mechanic engineering. Anything. Call it mechanic roadside. You put you see our doggy. Ooh. Where is it? Am I showing it? Yeah. Oh, let me use the front. What's the name of the dog? Says if mother open eye. Maybe mother be that. Can I father be that? The dog is so cute. Please don't come close to me.
Not even fine.
You know supposed fine, supposed ugly. See that mother there, they sleep. Okay guys, bye.